In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious breakfast sandwich recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 slices of bread, 8 slices of Colby Jack, half a green pepper diced, 1 tomato diced, 4 eggs, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and half a cup of cheese. We're going to start by using a circular cookie cutter to cut out the center of a bread slice. In a bowl, add in the eggs, salt, and pepper, and beat until completely combined. To the eggs, we're going to add in the yogurt and continue whisking. Add in the peppers and the tomatoes and continue mixing. Add the cheese and mix until well combined. In a pan over heat, we're going to add our butter and melt it completely. Now we're going to remove the center of the bread and place the outer part of the bread in the pan. In the center of the bread that is empty, we're going to scoop some of our egg mixture that we made earlier. Over the bread, we're going to add our cheese. Over the cheese, we're going to add the center of the bread that we removed earlier. Once golden brown, we're going to flip and cook the other side until it's golden brown as well. When both sides are cooked, we're going to take it out onto a plate. Our breakfast sandwich is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.